The swearing-in ceremony has been done. It's the first day of Modi 3.0 and this time a big coalition government as well. So what can we expect this Monday as and when the government takes over? Remember, there are a lot of promises that were made earlier, that pending projects that will have to be cleared as well. So the first meeting of the third Modi cabinet will be held today at 5 p.m. this evening at Prime Minister Modi's residence, because that will be to declare and announce who the ministers will be. The first meeting of the third Modi cabinet will decide and retain about 4 prized ministries. According to our sources, the BJP will at least retain 4 ministries. Home Ministry, Defence, Finance and the External Affairs Ministry will likely be with the Saffron Party. Agenda of the meeting this evening will be to allocate the portfolios remaining and to discuss the government's action plan, take stock of pending projects. And if the portfolios are announced this evening itself, we are told that the External Affairs Minister will take office at South Block and then call on 7 foreign dignitaries, because not just the politicians from the country, but heads of state as neighbourhood policy from neighbour nations as friends and allies were also invited. Now it is also important and crucial will be to note about Naidu's TDP and Nitish's JDU and other allies about which ministry do they get. Joining me this morning is Piyush Mishra, tracking all the latest on that. Piyush, there are still a lot more days to go to really figure out as and when what portfolio is announced. And knowing Modi government, there are always last-minute surprises, isn't it? What are you expecting, at least when it comes to portfolio? How crucial it will be? With the allies this time more than previously for the BJP, what will be the cabinet looking like?
Well, it's going to be very crucial, Pooja, and any minute from now until 5 p.m., we will see the announcement of portfolios for all the ministers who yesterday sworn in. As the swearing-in ceremony concludes, now the work begins. Today at 5 p.m., the cabinet meeting has been called by PM Narendra Modi. Before that, all portfolios would be allocated to the cabinet ministers, MOS independent and all MOS. So it's going to be an important task, an important thing to see which leader gets which portfolio. As far as the top portfolios are concerned, what we're learning is that BJP is also to keep them with in its kitty, like portfolios like MEA, Defence, Home and Finance. These portfolios would most likely be retained by BJP, and other important ministries like Agriculture, Civil Aviation, Railways. These ministries could be allocated to the NDA allies. Now, if you talk about this entire formation of government, it represents not only 11 NDA allies, but also there's a great combination of caste. There are 27 OBCs, 10 SC, 5 ST, 5 minorities, and a sizable number of women and leaders also who have taken oath. So after the oath ceremony ends, today the work begins, and now the focus will be on the next 100 days. Remember, the Prime Minister had been saying that his main agenda would be to work for the welfare of people, and in 100 days, in first 100 days, he will set the agenda.
That's true. You made a very important point, because Prime Minister Modi, expressing confidence in the previous government, has said they already have a 100 days vision. They may not be expecting these numbers, but what will be the 100 days vision with this coalition? That, of course, will be very crucial. Thank you very much. Piyush Mishra will be tracking, and all our colleagues on the ground, which portfolio goes to which leader and which party.